morning guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a giveaway of 3D models and textures giveaway because we have reached 2000 plus subscribers, and as I promised, for every 1000 subscribers there will be a giveaway. Now this giveaway is basically for residential project. Residential because we are discussing residential lighting in my present series. Let me show you what does this giveaway contain. I will show you the link below in the description to download this folder. Okay, and the link will expire in a week, so please download it before it expires. And when you open the folder, there will be subdivisions. Like in the residential project, I have chosen major spaces like bedroom, dining, dressing, kitchen and living, and a separate folder for plants. On if you open one folder, you can get you'll be having a minimum of 6 to 7 3D models which you frequently use. Okay, like for example, here in the bedroom, for bed you have 2 options, then tables you have 3 options. Okay, and there's some decorative stuff too. Let me show you another folder. Let's select living, for example. In the living, here I have kept 2 L-shaped sofas. One is for the right side and one is for the left side L-shaped sofa, then the normal sofa, and different options for chairs and coffee tables and TV. So if you see one folder here, all the basic furnitures which you will be using in the residential project. In any room, I have collected the 3D models. All the 3D models are good poly, no missing textures, and units are correct. If I have kept it to the Sketchup file, because if you want to further reduce the file size, you can easily do it. If you don't know how to do it, I have already made a tutorial on it. You can check the link. I will share it in the description to know more about how to handle the Sketchup files. Okay, and let's check one more folder. So this is a kitchen folder. You can find 2 to 3 options for kitchen counter and some appliances with some fruits and vegetables. So these are plants. Coming to textures, I have again further divided the textures folder into subdivisions like carpet, fabric, floor, wall and wood. And in each folder you can find 22 textures in each folder, so a total of 100 textures. All the textures are seamless and it's good. You can use it for the furniture too. Like I have kept the wood folder separately because you can use it for the walls, or you can use it for the furniture. Then let me show you the floor. Okay, this is different option for the marbles. So this is a combination of some 100 textures and 60 3D models. All are good. Okay, and yeah, this is a giveaway. You can use it. I hope this helps. I personally tried it, okay, and it is saving a lot of time while working in the residential project. So guys, I hope this helps you while working in the dialogues, and it saves your time from searching for the seamless textures and the good 3D models. If you like the giveaway, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.